In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage columns in Monday.com efficiently and effectively. It's a straightforward process once you understand the steps, and we'll walk through each one together to ensure everything is crystal clear. Let's dive into it. To get started, the first thing you need to do is head over to Monday.com. This is where all the magic happens, and it's the platform we'll be using today. Once you're there, locate and click on the Login button. You're going to sign into your account so you can access your boards and manage your content. Now, you'll be prompted with various options to log in. For today's demonstration, let's choose the Google option. Simply click on it and select the Google account you want to use. Don't worry if you're using a different method. Any login option that suits you will work just fine. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate to the board you want to work on. This is essentially your workspace where all your tasks and projects are organized. Keep in mind the boards are the core structure of Monday.com, so knowing how to navigate them effectively is crucial. Before we make any changes to the columns, there are a couple of important notes to bear in mind. First, remember that you can only manage columns of certain types, such as status, priority, label, and dropdown. These columns are integral for setting parameters and tracking the progress of tasks. Secondly, only admins and co-admins have the authority to edit managed columns, so make sure you have the appropriate permissions. With that said, let's move on to the next step. Find the column you want to manage, perhaps it's a status column, and click on the three dots at the top right corner of it. This action will bring up a menu with several options. Next, you'll see an option that says Save as Managed Column. Go ahead and click on it. This is where the management process starts, allowing you to centralize and put structure around this column. A dialog box will appear, asking for a name and a short description. This is an excellent opportunity to clearly define what this column will be tracking or managing. Providing specific names and detailed descriptions will make it easier for your team to understand its purpose at a glance. After you've entered the necessary information, click Next. At this point, you are almost done, and by clicking Save, you will complete the process. You have now successfully managed your column, creating a more organized and efficient workspace on Monday.com. That's all for today's tutorial. Remember, managing your columns can greatly enhance your project management experience, providing transparency and structure for you and your team. Thank you for watching, and have a productive day managing your tasks on Monday.com.